Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to solve OTG disconnect problem on Realme C67 device. Not all smartphones support OTG functionality. If a smartphone doesn't have OTG support, or if it is not enabled in the device settings, and then the OTG connection may not work or may disconnect. Okay, and then to fix that, you can do the following ways. Okay, here I will connect the OTG like this. Okay, and then here you can see that my OTG files are not here. Okay, and then to solve it, first thing first, you can open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, you can choose system menu. And then in this section, you can activate this menu. Okay, and then now the OTG will be connected with your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to solve OTG disconnect problem on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.